Alright guys, morning. Look at this tub. I'm gonna do a quick YouTube video, tips and tricks, how to get this done, how to do it yourself, DIY, homeowner, landlord, what have you. But this is the worst tub that I've ever seen. You can see it's all cracked. Looks like someone tried spraying it in the past before. But yeah, do a quick YouTube video. This is my first time doing one, so we're learning tips and tricks as we set up. Got my little knee pad, got a light, vacuum cleaner, and this is what I'm using. Tape the lines, gotta scrape the caulk off. This is to get everything scraped off, anything in my way, and then you're gonna clean it up to get all the mold and mildew scum off. This is the product I'm using, Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile. You can get it at Home Depot for like 50 bucks. I use some solo cups to pour it around the edges. Getting ready, set up. All right guys, 2 hours later, just had to sand it, rinse it out, clear it out. You can see how bad it looks. But hopefully, my plan is to use some paint thinner and rags and dry this up real quick. And then get it real dry, tape it off, and then I'll be ready for application. Y'all, let's get it. Got the tub all masked off. It's all clean, dry to the touch. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and make sure it's dry. So to read these instructions real quick, it says surface cleaning, remove metal drains, did that. Brush away all peeling paint, did that. Repair chips or cracks with a patching compound, skip that step, don't really have anything chipped. Remove any mildew or mold with a solution of bleach and water, rinse thoroughly, scrub all surfaces with an abrasive cleanser. So what I did was use this bleach, where did I put it? A bleach powder, and then I scrubbed it with a brass brush. You guys can comment if that's good or not, but I did that, and then I came through with my sander for an hour and a half, sanding everything down. This thing's been sprayed before. I don't think it's had a full application of what I'm doing today. Surface preparation is step 2. Remove all caulk, wipe area clean, prepare surface with an abrasive pad, rinse, repeat if necessary, sand surface with 400, 600 grit wet sandpaper for dry. I started with 80, then went to 125, and then finished with the 400. And then allow surface to dry. Wipe with a tack cloth immediately before painting to remove dust. So I got these microfiber cloths I'm gonna use. And then come over here. Tip on the brush when you're brushing it. So that's my next step is I'm gonna mix these two compounds together. Hopefully it all fits in this one. Then I'll pour it in the solo cup. Then I'll pour it around the rim. But they say to take painter's tape and get the microfibers and lint off of the brush. So that's what I'm doing. Big tip, be right back. These faucets keep leaking, so I just put on some towels. Keep it from dripping, y'all. Turning out a little bit better. Definitely needs a second coat. Tips and tricks that I learned so far. What a mess. That those red solo cups, the chemicals eat right through it. So can't use red solo cup. They're seen online what people doing. So I burnt half of the product. I gotta go to Home Depot to get another box because that sucked. Learning experience. Don't do that again. I just mixed it, what I had left, half and half in there. Did it. So I'm gonna go run and grab another set of rollers. And then I'm gonna grab, this stuff's strong. Yep, I gotta come back. Be right back. All right, y'all. Second coat. Starting to look like a tub again. I got this one little issue down here that I don't like, but hopefully it hides. I might have to do a third coat. This is the second coat. started clumping up. I don't know what that was about, but refreshed, y'all. It's the final product. Put a third coat on it because I had enough product to do so I did. And it blended it all in. There were some streaks going on in the corners after my first application, so the second application kind of hit it. The third one definitely hit it. This is with the roll-on technique, so it's not sprayed, it's not perfect. But if you can do it yourself for half the cost of what a pro would do it, that's what we were shooting for. So, it's economical to do it yourself. If you want it to be perfect, you gotta get a pro to do it. This is my first one, so I feel like it turned out. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. A little streak back there, mineral spirits, will wipe that out. I left the blue tape on because I didn't want to pull it up and then have it peel or go anywhere, so let it dry. Next time I come in here, I'll just cut a line, pull the tape up, it'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need some help trying to get monetized. I need 3 million plays, which is crazy, or watched hours, 1,000 subscribers. If you guys can help me out, hit like, subscribe. Ryan Ramirez, peace.